Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry, hold on a second. Hello? There's a new Dollar Tree in San Diego? And it's a mega Dollar Tree? Say less, I'll be right there.
Excuse me, yeah, hi. Can I get you to sign my petition here? I don't know if you're aware, but the Dollar Tree has been misrepresenting its prices. The prices are no longer $1. They're $1.25. We feel that they need to change their name to the $1.25 store. Are you willing to join this just cause and movement? Sign right here.
I'm back, baby. When I heard there was a new Dollar Tree in my area, you know I had to go scope it out immediately. And wow. There was so much cool, new, good stuff that you can use to organize all around your house. I like to call this doing the most while spending the least. And if you are new here and not yet following me, press the subscribe or follow button down below. I would love to have you. And with all of that said, let's get started with this first one, okay? You see this right here? You might look at this and see a letter organizer. Okay, we gotta think bigger. Get 2 of them, put them together with zip ties. They also sell the zip ties. And you know what you have? A pot and pan rack. DIY, made within seconds. You can also use this to stack and organize your baking dishes, your pan lids, or your Tupperware lids. The options are really endless. What are you doing?
I'm coming. Can I see?
This one popped up on my For You page and I was like, genius, this is truly genius. So I will link her down below. So you want to get a pack of these mesh laundry bags. You get 3 of them for $1.25. Then grab some binder rings and shower rings. Using the binder rings, connect the bags together. They already have the little holes in them, so you can attach 3, 4. Then use your clear shower rings and you can hang this on your closet clothing rod and use this for closet organization. You could keep your socks in here, your bras, your underwear, your bathing suits, or for back to school with your kids, you can put your children's outfits in here by day of the week. Another thing you can use this for is you can hang it up in the shower and use it as a shower organizer for your kids' bath toys or your own personal shower accessories because it is the mesh. Such a smart idea, such an easy project that you can use in many ways. These little in-drawer dividers, organizers, you need in every single drawer of your house. You know how I feel about drawer dividers. So I saw this. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these for $1.25. Cannot beat the price. And I was looking at it and I'm like, what are these little tabs on the side? They've done it again. They have these little interlocking tabs, make it so you can customize how they are set out, and then they lock in place so they don't slide all around your drawers. You can customize and fit them to whatever space you're trying to organize. So they had this 5-pack for $1.25, and then they also had this 3-pack, which is perfect size for your pens, markers, whatever in your desk or in your junk drawer, your kitchen drawers, and you can have all of your items nice and subdivided. Another genius dollar store organization idea I saw on TikTok. You could pick up these rugs. They have them in different colors. And what you can do here is get a hot glue gun. You glue the sides together like so. And then what you're left with is an adorable little display bowl. You can put water bottles out for your guests. You could put snacks out. And it's just such a clever, easy idea. I had not seen these before. They are the gold wire baskets. And what this inspired me to do is a couple things. One, you can put this upside down and use these slots to store your lip glosses, your lipsticks. It's the perfect size. Or another idea, you can get some hooks, hook it on to your wall in your closet and use this to hang your earrings. So for jewelry organization. These little round tins have two features on here that I absolutely love. One, they're clear in the front so you can see what's inside, and two, they're magnetic on the back. One of my very first DIYs I ever did on my channel was the idea of putting your spices in these and then gluing your own magnet and keeping that on the refrigerator. Well, guess what? They have them now already made with the magnets. Could not be easier. Stick that on your fridge, put some of your favorite spices in there, label it. You're fancy, you're organized, and it's so convenient to have your most used spices just right there. And then that way they're taking up no counter space. When I saw these serving trays, my little mom heart was so happy because instantly two things came to mind. First, snack tray for the kids. Kids like variety.
What's the bar? KRS WXXXX. Yeah!
Also, you can use these trays to do sensory bins with your kids. And if you have not done a sensory bin with your child recently, like you might have forgot how easy and entertaining and how much kids love them. Just go through your baking supplies, put stuff in here, sit out on the grass and let your kids go to town. This next one I saw from Do It on a Dime, who I'm sure most of you already follow. If you don't, I will link her down below. But she shared this genius idea. So if you have any of those wire shelves in your pantry, in your linen closet, what you can do here, get a foam board and cover it with this marble contact paper. They actually had a lot of different designs at my Dollar Tree. Marble, different geometric patterns, so pick whatever, put it on the foam board, measure it to fit the size of your shelf. You're gonna score it and then fold it over, and that's going to be the overhang. It's basically fully covering that wire shelf, and now it looks like a beautiful shelf. Takes minutes and can completely transform the look of your space. This little shower caddy, I thought, no, let's take it out of the shower and bring it onto the couch and have this be a little movie night snack box for the kids. So you can put popcorn in here, their drink fits in one of these. Now let's talk some ideas for a dollar store under the kitchen sink organization, because mine needed a little revamp. And I saw that these right here, these stackable shelves, which I love these because when they're not in use, they fully stack into each other. But when you want to stack them up, they have these little lips that overhang that allow them to go vertical. And I thought this is just perfect for under the kitchen sink. You can put dish brushes, whatever it is, and it's going to use all of that vertical space. So I like this for under the kitchen sink. I also like this little candy jar for under the kitchen sink for putting our dishwasher detergent pods in here. So a lot easier to grab it from here. You can get a 3-pack of these magnetic clips, and I had the thought to put this on my dishwasher, which is stainless steel and magnetic, to hang a dish towel so I can have my clean dish towel right there, easy to grab right next to the sink. So I talked about the smaller mesh laundry bags. Also, while you're there, grab a larger mesh laundry bag, and this is perfect for your kids' sand toys, for beach toys. If you're going to the beach, put their toys in here, and so then when it's time to leave, you just shake the bag and all the sand comes out. Every time I'm in the Dollar Tree, I stock up on all the gift bags. And what I do is I buy one large gift bag and use it to keep all the other smaller multi-sized gift bags. So now I'm ready for all the August birthdays, big or small, whatever size gift, I am prepared. We even have tissue paper for back to school. Now I'm at that age where it's not my own back to school, but my child is going to school. So I saw these cute little pencil cases, adorable for your kids to put their school supplies in, or you can use these for yourself as a makeup travel bag. I like that they are clear so you can see what's inside. You can use these to just subdivide and organize your purses. Never go wrong with a cute clear pouch. Let me know which of these ideas I shared in today's video was your favorite down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe if you did enjoy this, and I will see you soon with a new video.
I have zip tied myself to this tree, the Dollar Tree, in protest. I will not eat. I will not sleep. I won't even lift until the name is changed to the $1.25 tree. Wonder where everybody else was. Nobody else care about justice these days? They're just gonna bleed us dry 1/4 at a time. First it starts with 25 cents. Then what? 50? 75? What is it gonna be, the $100 tree.